So ito na sir yung ano mo, yung board mo. So power natin. So yan.
From impossible illusions
Ayan.
to bold gestures that shocked crowds.
Natin.
From impossible illusions to bold gestures that shocked crowds, Jackson built a catalog of moves that weren't just steps, they were statements. Today, we're counting down 10 of Michael's most iconic, jaw-dropping dance moves. Each one tells us
So,
something
yan.
about his genius, his
Hanggang
swagger,
dyan lang sa
no one
Android.
has ever moved like the king of pop.
So yan ang isusolve natin.
Number 1.
Okay, sige.
Moonwalk. 19
Ito na. Oh, nag-erasing na nga. Huwag ka dyan, makuryente ka dyan, nak. Power natin.
Sakto na, anong puno? Dalawa? Ito.
Opo, opo.
Palalagay ko na sa gamit mo. Ito na lang.
Ay, huwag yan.
Ano yan?
Oh, sige, sige, sige na.
Oh, yun o.
Oo, huwag na dyan na na.
Banana po yan.
Kaya natin magtutuloy.
Pa, magkano to, pa? Pa, magkano to?
Opo. Eh, lagay mo lang dyan. Huwag mong hawak ng hawak dyan sa ano. Madumi yan, battery.
Dahan-dahan ko na.
Post muna natin. So, ayan na. Nagtuloy na. Ayan na siya. Ano ko pa pala to? I-connect ko sa wifi. Ayan. Mahaba ng video. Ano natin? Post. So, ayan na.
In this video, one attempt to spend $100 on street food here in Myanmar. If you look at a map of Southeast Asia, you'll find Vietnam, then Thailand here, two iconic food countries. But right next door is Myanmar, a nation too often defined by conflict and uncertainty. And because of that, most outsiders will never get a chance to experience the food here. There are a lot of fun treats like this in South